Small table saws can look very similar at first, but once you compare cutting depth, stability, and real workshop use, the differences show up fast. So here's the ranking from the weakest option to the strongest one. In 5th place, we have the smaller Proxxon. And I want to say this right away. This is not a bad tool. It is actually a very clean little precision saw. But in this comparison, it lands last because it is much more limited than the others. What stands out here is the focus on tiny, careful cuts. The aluminum table, miter gauge, fence, and vacuum adapter make it feel like a neat little bench saw for model work. If you cut thin strips, small wood pieces, plastic, circuit boards, or light non-ferrous metal, it can feel controlled and predictable. But the cutting depth is the big limitation. In wood, you get only up to 5/16 of an inch, and in plastic or metal, it is even less. Compared with the Huanyu, Zericuf, or the larger Proxxon, this feels much more specialized. It is not really a multifunctional tool either, so you do not get drilling, polishing, or grinding functions. This is best for someone who wants a compact, precise saw for very small parts and does not need much depth. But if you want more flexibility for crafts and hobby projects, the next model already gives you a wider set of uses. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In 4th place, we have the Socker. This one feels more like a small hobby station than a simple mini saw. It is still compact, but compared with the smaller Proxxon, it gives you more functions and more room to experiment. The big advantage is versatility. You get adjustable speed, angle adjustment from 0 to 90 degrees, and multiple blade types for materials like wood, plastic, acrylic, circuit boards, and thin metal. It can also handle sanding, polishing, engraving, and drilling with the included accessories. For small craft jobs, that makes it more playful and more useful. But here is the point you should know. The motor is not the strongest in this ranking, and the cutting depth is only 0.63 inches. So while it is more flexible than the smaller Proxxon, it still feels like a beginner-friendly craft tool rather than a serious cutting machine. The Huanyu and Zericuf both offer more cutting confidence on paper. If you are just starting with small DIY projects and want one compact machine for light cutting and finishing work, the Socker makes sense. But if you care more about power and deeper cuts, the next tools become more interesting. And if this review is helping you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. In 3rd place, we have the Zericuf. And this is where the ranking starts to feel more serious for hobby work. Compared with the Socker, this one brings more speed, more cutting height, and a dual motor setup. The interesting part is the separate motor design. One motor is for cutting, and the other is for polishing or accessory use. In practice, that means the tool feels more purpose-built for switching between different small workshop tasks. You also get a compact table, adjustable guide fence, multiple blades, polishing discs, and grinding accessories. The limitation is that you still have a small work surface. So yes, it is more capable than the Socker, but it is not meant for large boards or heavy materials. Also, the two motors should not be used at the same time, which is something you have to remember. That is not a deal breaker, but it matters for safe use. This is a good pick if you make crafts, small wooden pieces, handmade gifts, or hobby models and want more power than a basic starter saw. But if deeper cuts and stronger material handling matter more, the next option has a clear advantage. In 2nd place, we have the Huanyu. On paper, this is one of the strongest mini multifunctional saws in the group. The cutting depth is the best here, and the 300-watt rating gives it a stronger position than the Socker and Zericuf for deeper hobby cuts. What I like about this one is the balance between power and flexibility. It supports cutting, grinding, engraving, drilling, and polishing. The blade is larger than on several smaller hobby saws, and the aluminum alloy tabletop gives it a more solid feel for craft work. If you are cutting small wood pieces, plastic, acrylic, or soft metal, it gives you more headroom. But this is still not a full-size workshop saw. It is made for small projects, not tough construction materials. It is also not suitable for compressed wood, wood flooring, density board, or composite board. So it looks strong, but you still need to respect the limits of a compact machine. If you want a mini saw that feels more capable and more versatile, the Huanyu is a strong choice. It is especially interesting if you care about cutting depth, but still want extra functions. And now we move to the top pick, which takes a different route. Less about being a multi-tool and more about precision and stability. In first place, we have the larger Proxxon. And for me, this is the strongest overall product because it feels the most like a real precision table saw, just in a smaller format. It is not the most multi-functional tool here, but for actual cutting quality, it has the best foundation. The biggest difference is the table and setup. A 12 by 12 inch work surface gives you much better support than the smaller mini saws. You also get adjustable cutting depth, blade tilt up to 45 degrees, a proper fence, an angle stop, a workpiece pusher, and dust suction support. In daily use, that matters because cutting is not only about motor speed, it is also about control. The trade-off is that this is less portable and less playful than the Sacker, Zericuf, or Huanyu. It is not trying to be a grinder, drill, and polisher all at once. And the cutting depth is not the deepest in the list. The Huanyu goes deeper on paper, so if depth alone is your priority, that is worth knowing. But if you want the best overall mini table saw for clean, stable, accurate cutting, the larger Proxxon is the top choice. It is the one I would look at first for model making, fine woodworking, plastic, circuit boards, and small precise cuts where control matters more than having every possible attachment. Check the links in the description to see the top products from this review and compare the latest offers. And if the video helped you choose the right mini table saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.